Smoked meat from one of the pigs we catch. Look at the quality on that, huh? 60-40. Major. Wow.
The wind and the rain found us.
Wait, let me turn off my linger. Oh, whoa, yeah. Oh,
It's Makai's birthday today and we got a little surprise for him.
Hopefully he wish for a big lure. I put some on the outside too.
Brother Makai.
What's up, J-Doggy?
Happy birthday. Make a wish, boy.
Now he's of age for the Cougars. Yes, sir. What, any action last night?
After last night.
Oh boy.
We're pressing hard, but the lures are nowhere to be found. We didn't get any bites last night, so we're gonna pack up and go check out another spot.
Now you just put him in a bush.
Oh, it reeks.
Here, I'm almost there.
We got our hunting clothes on. Now we just gotta grab the boss of the boss. Like.
I only get one.
One day.
We're big. Bunch of pigs be coming over here, scratching up on this tree. Go. Come on, Boomy. Go.
Boomer's got a big one. Ah. Got him. That's not Boomy. Oh shit. He's trying. Yeah, go that way. Rico! Rico, no! Small boar, so we let him go. Boomer's on the one right now, but he's 300 yards away.
To get him. Okay, go grab the boar.
Boomer got one. Whew.
I got the knife in my bag.
action today.
A couple pigs.
We're gonna make some lolos.
Sick.
The rain is here.
We're about to get soaked.
Hold on, sorry. Just small kind raining a little bit. Just a little.
I should have brought me raincoat. Oh, hey.
Oh! Fat Lahole.
Tag. Number 12.